Hello all. Today I'm going to explain you on the sets. So what is a set? It is a data structure which is an inbuilt function which is called as a set. Let me start. S is equal to flower bracket. So if I enter, if I check type of S, so it is giving us dictionary. So let me check. Let me enter some data. 4. So type of S. So this is a set. If you are entering any data and if it is an empty set, then it is a dictionary. If there is some data inside the set, it is a type is a set. So let me do the other one. S is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 6 comma 6 7 8 88 71. So month I'll give. So next is I give it as company. Okay. So this is the thing. Let me run again. So what has happened here? So here the list has here the set has been removed, like the removed the duplicate values. So here, as Python is a case sensitive, so this is an uppercase and this is an lowercase, and so it has been retained here. So this is the output we get it as. So let me check with the other one. Like if I'm doing this one, S1 is equal to set of tuples 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Let me do. So this is a tuple S2. Let me give for the list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. So here in the tuples is an immutable, and whereas in the list it is not a, it's an immutable one in the tuples, whereas in the list is a mutable one. So set is also a mutable one and element should not be mutable. So set is a mutable, and whereas in element is should not be a mutable one. So set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 23 4 5 6 8 89 0. So here I'm doing just a typecasting for this. So set 3 comma 4 comma 2 comma 3 comma 32 comma 34 comma and 5. So here the duplicate values have been removed here. So if I go with as type of test 1, sorry, I'll just remove this. So this is nothing but the typecasting one. You can also add some of the functions here like s.add 34. So 34 has been added here. Set is an unordered collection of the data. So there is no order for that. Like s1 is equal to s dot copy. So this is nothing but a shallow copy. So I will just use another one, s dot discard, convert as 34. So yes, so 34 has been discarded from here. So if I put it as f dot discard, example, I'll just put 123. Yes, so it's not showing anything here. So s dot remove 6. So I'll just put, so 6 has been removed from the list set. So if I put s dot remove example, so here if I put for discard 123, it will not throw any error, whereas in remove, if I put it as out of range, like which is not there in the list, we'll get the key error of 232. So system will show an error of 232 here. So I'll, for example, which removes the element. Okay, let me give 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. S2 S2 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so I'll give it as s1 dot difference. So it's 2. So 5 and 6 is the s1 s2 difference. So let me give it as s2 dot difference of s1. So 1 comma 2 is the difference. And if I give s1 dot what is it? Intersection of S2. 3 and 4 is the intersection. Let me give S2 dot intersection of S1. Okay, I'll just give it as in the reverse 3 and 4. It's the same thing. So S1 dot union of S2. So I'll give it as the other combination. I'll just check S2 union of S1. This is same thing it is. So S1 dot pop. So which removes the elements from the list. Takes no argument given with the one element. So this will not take any argument here. You can just remove this argument. 3. Okay. So S1 dot clear. So S1 has been completely removed from the here. So 2 in S. True. Yes. You just give yes. Okay. Next. Yes in 2. SNS? No. Yes in 2. Let me check this. Of type integer is not the container or a triple. Okay. Let me give it as example 1, 2, 3 in S. So it is false. Okay. If 34 not in S. True. So 34 is there. So let me do one thing. S1 is equal to set of 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay. Next S2 is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay. S1 dot is subset of S2. Sorry, is subset of S2. Okay, subset of S2, S1 dot 3 comma 4 comma 5 6 7. Okay, S1 dot subset of S2. Just a minute, let me check this. S2 dot of S1. me check this error. So s1 is dot is subset of s2. So it is false. Okay. So next we will check is2 is subset of s1. Okay. So it is true. Next we'll go with the frozen set. Here for the frozen set, right? See, it does not want to create a mutable set. So like it does not allow to add or update in the set. So let me give it as example frozen set. Okay. Let me copy this frozen set. 3, 4, 5, 56, 6, 5, 63, 7. So I'll store it in a variable called as f. Okay. So type of f, go here, it is a frozen set. So here you can just see it has removed the duplicates and it will not allow any manipulation inside this set. So that's all about sets. Thanks for watching.